What happens if a bird hits a plane in the air? Could the plane crash? But first, subscribe if you want good luck this week. When a plane is in flight, its engine draws in outside air through a fan. The compressor in the engine creates space for the air to exit. As the air exits through a small space, it ignites with jet fuel, generating force for flight. Also, while the plane is about to take off, mostly security guards scare the birds with blank shots so they fly away, but if it still happened and a bird got sucked into the engine, this would happen. Firstly, the fan of the airplane shreds this bird into thousands of pieces. These pieces then go into the fan and get stuck. The compressor's job is to keep the engine cool, but due to the stuck pieces, its temperature reaches 400 Fahrenheit. It causes the jet fuel to ignite and the entire engine to explode. But the plane can safely land with the remaining 3 engines.